Even when they are talking about Igbo coup, I always laugh at them. Eh? When you say that it was an Igbo coup, who was the person who was the mark to become the prime minister? Was it Okpara in the east? Was it Azikiwe, who had no power, who was a titular president general? It was Awolowo from the west. Then what type of interest the revolutionary wanted to protect? Eh? If they call it an Igbo coup, picking somebody from the west to become the prime minister. So they had a national interest, not an Igbo interest at all.
In this book, it's like you celebrated the first coup.
I celebrated it. If you look at the personality of those who staged the coup, the January coup 1966, they were radicals, element, well read. Look at the life of Njogu, Cardinal Njogu. He was widely read with the school of Marxist philosophy, and he was vast in military history. So he was a radical socialist officer who wanted a change of government. He wanted a change of government. They wanted to clean up the government, the first republic, because they saw that that government of Baliwa was not working. It was not working. So they wanted to uproot it. So that was why Sadana was killed. Sadana was the leader of the party, NPC, who stayed in Kaduna. Tafawa Balewa was the prime minister who controlled the apparatus at the federal level. So Anuyo wanted to change this rotten apparatus. So they became targets. Two of them became targets of the revolutionaries. The revolutionaries wanted to change the government. Who were the people who were holding the apparatus of the government? The ruling class, the ruling party. Sadana was the head of the party. He stayed in Kaduna. If you want to change that government without eliminating Sadana, do you think that government that coup will succeed? That was why they became target of the revolutionaries.
What about Akintola?
Akintola. You see what happened was that they made an alliance with the party of Akintola. I was telling that the ruling party wanted to extend their political tentacle to capture power in the West. And it deteriorated to crisis, serious crisis. You see, so Western region became a problematic region that must be dealt with. The Prime Minister, Tafawa Balewa, who supposed to use his power to quell the situation in the West, refused.